Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications about a post on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option in order to go to your feed. And if you want to turn on and off notifications about a post, you should click on the three dots icon that you can find in the right side of the screen and tap on turn off notifications for this post. If you want to turn it on, go back to this section again and click on turn on notifications for this post, so you can change it anytime you feel like to do so. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.